So welcome students. So this is a very simple question. You're asked to find the equation of a standard ellipse whose eccentricity is 2 by root of 2 by 5 and which passes through the point minus 3, 1. So how do we do these questions? It's a very basic type. So let us assume that the equation is x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. So let us assume that this is the equation of the ellipse. Now, what are the equations that you have? The eccentricity is 2 by root of 2 by 5. So 1 minus b square by a square is nothing but e square, right? E square is equal to 1 minus b square by a square. So this is equal to 2 by 5. This implies b square by a square has to be equal to 1 minus 2 by 5 is 3 by 5. So b square by a square is 3 by 5. Next, the ellipse has to pass through the point minus 3 comma 1. That means this equation has to satisfy this point. That means 9 by a square plus 1 by b square is equal to 1. So these are the two equations that a and b has to satisfy. So from this, a square can be written in terms of b square, or b square is equal to 3a square by 5. So let us put it here. So 9 by a square plus 1 by b square is 3a square by 5 is equal to 1. This implies a square is equal to 9 plus 5 by 3. If I take this a square onto that side, a square is equal to 9 plus 5 by 3, that is equal to 27 plus 5, 32 by 3. And b square is nothing but 3 by 5 times 32 by 3. That is equal to 32 by 5. So once you have a square and b square, you can find the equation by just substituting this. So x square by a square is 32 by 3 plus y square by b square is 32 by 5 is equal to 1. So effectively the equation is 3x square plus 5y square is equal to 32. So this is the required ellipse.